Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport, Avis car rental on a Sunday evening. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these updates, go ahead and click that like button. And we'll pick things up here with the first aisle over at Avis. And in the upgrade selection here, great to see this. We got a Challenger, Dodge Challenger GT. One of my favorite colors. And these used to all be all-wheel drive, but I don't know if all of the new GTs are all-wheel drive or not. It would make sense because they could rent this out in Canada. Yeah, so this has got all-wheel drive. It's got the 4 on that corner there. Great to see some of these coming into Avis. I may have to do an Avis reservation. Okay, almost 5,000 kilometers on it. It's got the smaller radio. The other one had the bigger radio the last one we saw. Quite the opposite beside it. We got a Toyota Prius, Cadillac XT4. Those are nice. Got a Jeep Compass. Got a BMW SUV, smaller one. Hyundai SUV. Nissan Rogue, older one. Might be a Nissan Sentra, older Nissan Rogue. Sorry, Murano. That's the Murano. Dodge Caravan, Kia SUV. And actually, this has got a lot of empty parking spots. We might be able to finish this up a little faster. We got a Chrysler 300. It's got the sunroof, another one of my favorites. We got a larger VW SUV, Jeep Grand Cherokee. And why don't we wander over here past this Q3 and then we'll do some of the SUVs at the end of the aisle. I know a lot of you guys want to see more of the SUVs. Which reminds me, go ahead, comment below for anything else you want to see, and I'll do my best to kind of cover it for you. Okay, so we got 33,000 on this Q3. And what do we got down here? Hyundai, Corolla, another 300, Toyota Prius, the Q3 we just looked at. Nothing too exciting on the other side here. We got a Mitsubishi, we got a Mazda SUV, another Hyundai SUV. Oh boy, Dodge, Jeep Grand Cherokee, that kind of startled me. We got another Murano here, minivan. Lots of empty spaces on this Sunday night here at Avis. Another Grand Cherokee. Actually, let's take a, so these Grand Cherokees come in the 2 body styles. So this is the older body style, but it can still be a 2022. Okay, so this one's got 24,000 kilometers on it. So it's got the sunroof, probably limited. There's a VW over there in the corner, a Hyundai Santa Fe. That might even be an X5, it's a little bit bigger. Another Santa Fe, I think. Ford Explorer, Dodge Durango. There's one Yukon way down there. I don't see any of those Wagoneers. I'm glad we got them in the last video. I do not see any Wagoneers. They must all be out. All right, we already walked down here. A lot of empty space. Oh, there's another Challenger over here. This one's got a stripe on it. All right, yeah, not too much more to show you. So there's basically another aisle I can kind of show you. Hopefully there's more cars in it. Let's check out this Challenger though. Plates are about the same, so I'm guessing around the same mileage. Another GT. So Avis at Toronto is the only one that has the Challenger so far this year. Oh, this one's got a nice 2-tone interior with the burgundy and the black. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I really like that. And then this one's got the bigger radio, and it has the Alpine stereo. Yeah, this would be a good combination to have. No sunroof, but that's okay. And we got another Santa Fe. We got a Eagle Boost Mustang convertible, Nissan Rogue, another Santa Fe, BMW. I think those are the 220s. GMC Acadia, maybe? Nope, Terrain. And then they got 3 BMW SUVs in kind of their upgrade section. And then if we go down here, not too much more to show you. A larger Infiniti SUV at the end. A couple sedans. What do we got over here? We got a Camry. GMC, Hyundai. larger VW down here. All right, I think that's, well, let's just do a quick look at the other aisles. Again, there's a Sunday night and a lot of empty spaces here at Avis. Probably a lot of cars in the returns. But there you go. So I think I'll wrap things up. Thanks everyone for watching. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, click that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.